Hi players and welcome in a new Ukulele. Today we'll learn a song called Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's get started. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. If you know these chords already, you can skip to the next section. You will find time mark and a description. If you don't know these chords, let's learn these chords. First chord is G major chord. Second finger on the second fret on the first string. Third finger on the third fret on the second string. And first finger on the second fret on the third string. And fourth string is opened. Then we have D major chord. Second finger on the second fret on the fourth string. Third finger also on the second fret but on the third string. And fourth finger also on the second fret but on the second string. And first string is opened. Then we have A minor chord. Release only fourth and third finger and leave second finger, okay? And we have A minor chord. Then again G major, again D major, and C major chord. Only third finger on the third fret on the first string. The rest of the strings are opened. Okay, you know the chords, so we can start the lesson. We'll use only two strum patterns. First strum pattern we will call short, and the second one we will call long, okay? The short one looks like this. Down, 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 up. Okay, and again. Down, 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 up. And again. Down, 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 up. And again. Down, 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 up. Okay, let's start, let's try to play this in a circle. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay, and again. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay, we will play this strum pattern twice in the song. Okay, and then we have a long strum pattern, and it looks like this. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. You can take a short breath after this two first strokes. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, let's try to play this short strum pattern twice and then this long strum pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, and again. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, we can try to play this with the chords. So we are starting from G major chord, then D major chord and A minor chord. Then again G major, again D major, and last chord is C major. Okay? So let's play it. G major, D major, short, and A minor long. And again, G major short, D major short, and C major long. And again the same. Long A minor. And again, G major, D major, and long C major chord. Okay, let's try to sing this with lyrics. Mama, take this badge off of me. Long A minor, and again G major chord. 'Cause I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Okay, that was the first verse, and now we can start the chorus. In the chorus we will play the same strum patterns and also the same chords, okay? Let's try to play this with the singing. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 And we are starting the next verse. put that gun to the ground, 'cause I can't shoot them anymore. Again, G major. There's a long black cloud coming on down. Again, G major. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. And the last chorus. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 And that's it. That's the whole song. Remember to practice a lot this changing of chords. G major, D major, G major, D major, then D major, A minor, D major, A minor, then A minor, G major, A minor, G major, okay? It's really, really important. Then practice a lot the strum patterns on muted strings. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. And then mix it together and try to sing to this song. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson.